Meet the Manatee Tree Snail. The Manatee Tree Snail is a Florida native. It primarily lives in trees, but may occasionally be found in leaf litter and usually only comes to the ground to lay its eggs. This gastropod eats algae and fungi that grows on smooth-barked trees, including citrus trees and palms. These lovely snails are of little concern to your garden, as they will not eat your beautiful plants. In the past, the manatee tree snail was used to control sooty mold on citrus trees in Florida. Sadly, they are considered in peril primarily due to habitat loss and pesticides. The manatee tree snails are hermaphrodites and can reproduce without a mate. Breeding usually takes place during the months of July and August. This snail appears to be in transit to new feeding grounds.